Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a certificate from HubSpot. HubSpot Academy provides numerous free online courses designed to boost your marketing, sales, and service skills. Earning a certificate involves completing a course and successfully passing its associated exam. These certifications are a fantastic way to validate your expertise in specific areas of the inbound methodology, showcasing your commitment to professional development. They are widely recognized and can significantly enhance your professional profile. To begin, simply visit the HubSpot Academy website, which serves as your central hub for all available certifications. You will find a wide array of courses covering topics like inbound marketing, content strategy, and sales enablement. Each course is meticulously structured, featuring engaging video lessons, interactive quizzes to test your understanding, and practical exercises to apply what you have learned. It is crucial to dedicate ample time to fully grasp the material before moving on. Once you feel confident with the course material, it is time to tackle the certification exam. Most HubSpot exams consist of around 60 multiple-choice questions, designed to thoroughly test your comprehension. To successfully pass, you will typically need to achieve a minimum score of 70%. Do not worry if you do not pass on your first try. Most exams allow multiple attempts, usually with a waiting period of about 12 hours between each attempt. Congratulations on earning your HubSpot certification. It is important to remember that these certifications are valid for a period of 24 months from the date you achieve them. To maintain your certified status and ensure your knowledge remains up to date with the latest industry trends and HubSpot product updates, you will need to retake and pass the updated version of the certification exam before its expiration. This process ensures your expertise is always current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.